and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something that has been so needed for me the past multiple months, okay? And that is cleaning out my closet. Now, I have so many clothes from over the years, like high school. I know I still have some stuff in there that I used to wear in high school, which was like 5-ish years ago. I graduated in 2016. So it's definitely time to get rid of some clothes, make way for the new ones, and I'm staring at this huge pile of stuff on my dresser that I just have no space for, so it is definitely time. I'm going to go through my closet, I'm going to go through the drawers, and we are going to do this together today. First thing I want to start with is taking everything out of my closet and laying it here on the bed, just so I can, go through it, see what I may want to keep and what I definitely don't wear anymore. And then I'm going to make a keep pile as well as a donate pile. I don't think that there's anything in here that's going to be good enough to sell at this point, unfortunately, but that's okay. I just want it out of here, but I'm going to donate it, obviously, for anyone else who may need it. So yeah, let's just start by pulling everything out of the closet.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no.
Alright, so this is everything that was in my closet. I have two piles here. Don't know if you can even see that, but there are two piles here on my bed. And I'm just going to pick them up and look at them one by one, see if I've worn it in the past 6 months to a year. If I haven't, I really just need to get rid of it. But something like this, I know I wore this for my senior pictures, and that was the only time I wore it. So as much as it is pretty, it is just not anything I'm going to wear again. So this is going to go in the donate pile. This is also like a children's hanger, so I'm going to recycle that because that's not going to fit any of my clothes.
Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of.
This was my chorus dress, so we had to have white on the top and black on the bottom. Not going to wear this again. I loved this dress in high school. It's a high-low dress, but not my style anymore. Haven't worn it in years.
Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't fall.
Wow, that actually went a lot quicker than I thought it was going to. Clearly I have gotten rid of so much stuff just from my closet already. Let me show you. Alright, so this is what my closet is looking like now. Obviously got rid of this whole chunk here. I do still have some stuff back here that is more for summer or dresses or all my business stuff. I did put back there, but then this is everything that I do still wear for this season, and then also what I bought last year for spring and summer and stuff that I think that I will wear again this year. But this is my pile of donate so far. I do still have to go through my drawer set here. But I think I'm gonna take a quick break for lunch because I'm pretty hungry at this point, and then I will come back and go through all of the drawers. I'm gonna hang up everything that is on here because I know that I'm keeping that. I reach for everything on the dresser often, so I want to hang those up, and then we'll go through the drawers and see what we can get rid of there as well.
Maybe it's something.
I just can't believe that this was all on my dresser.
At the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry. 'Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know.
Alright, now that the top of the dresser is done, I think I'm going to start next with the bin that's under my bed with all of my extra clothes in it. I know that there's a lot of stuff in there that I wanted to get rid of as well because it's under my bed, it's middle of winter, and I haven't even tried to reach for anything that's in there, so I'm pretty sure that most of it's going to be donated. So that's the next one.
You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed.
Onto the drawers. Like, this actually isn't taking as long as I thought it would. Like, normally when I do these videos it takes me all day, probably because I'm trying to make really difficult decisions, but I think I had in my head that I wanted to get rid of most of my stuff. Like, I know that I have the itch to shop for new stuff, and all of the clothes that I have right now that I'm getting rid of, I knew that I hadn't worn in forever because I've been wearing the same like 5 pieces that I bought at the beginning of winter on repeat every single day. So I know that there's a lot of stuff in my drawers that I need to go through now. I don't know why I kept most of this stuff for so long because I really don't even wear most of what's in the drawers other than my jeans and my pajamas and my workout clothes that I keep in there. But yeah, they definitely need some work. Like, they're pretty jam-packed full.
I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done, but you still want more. Baby, what I need is you out the door. This time I'm sure, yeah, that you're a bad boy, up to no good. Trying to be a man, but you're stuck in boyhood. Baby, you won't ever treat me the way you should, so it's over for good. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. It's been chaos from the start. Can't believe I made it this far. Guess I needed it to see who you really are. Breaker of hearts, yeah. You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. 'Cause I'm fed up with you crazy. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you.
So this is the entire pile of clothes that I am getting rid of. I bet you this will be like 2 garbage bags full to go and drop off at either like a used clothing drop off bin or Goodwill. I haven't decided yet where it would be best to take it, but I'm gonna get this bagged up and ready to go donate. So it'll just be so much better to have that space cleaned and ready for new clothes to come in. So I'm very excited to do some shopping, and obviously I will haul whatever I get for you. Be sure to stick around and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this from me and all the hauls that will be coming. I don't know if I'll do another one for winter or wait until spring or not. I haven't decided yet. But yeah, so this is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it motivated you to clean out your closet, get rid of old clothes that you don't wear anymore. And I just hope that it gave you some sort of entertainment or motivation. So that is all for today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!